In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block an email address in iCloud Mail. If you're tired of repeat senders cluttering your inbox, Apple's built-in block sender feature makes it simple to keep those messages out of sight. You can block from iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even the iCloud website, and by default, Apple moves messages from blocked senders straight to trash. You can later customize what happens, but we'll start with the quickest path on an iPhone or iPad. First, open the Mail app, then open an email from the sender you want to block. You don't need to hunt through settings, you'll do it right from this message. Look for the reply icon beneath the email. It's the action button that opens a list of options for the message. Tap that, scroll down the list, and choose Block this contact. A confirmation prompt appears just to make sure you meant to do that. Tap Block this contact again to finalize it. From now on, new mail from that address will follow the blocking behavior you've set. So what actually happens after you block? By default, blocked messages are moved to trash automatically, which keeps your inbox clean without any extra effort. Depending on your mail settings, you can instead choose to send them to junk or keep them visible but clearly marked as blocked so you can review them before deleting. If you ever want to adjust that behavior, look in your device's mail settings and pick the option that matches how aggressively you want to filter those messages. This is all documented in Apple's Mail Settings Guide, so you're using a supported built-in tool that plays nicely across your devices. A quick tip on when blocking is most effective. It works best for known, persistent senders who use the same address each time. If you're dealing with classic spam where the address changes constantly, blocking alone won't catch everything. In those cases, mark messages as junk to help train the filter, consider setting up mail rules to auto-sort suspicious mail, or use Hide My Email with iCloud Plus to keep your real address private when you sign up for new services. These strategies complement blocking and reduce the chance of nuisance messages slipping through. And that's it. With just a few taps from any message, you've taken control of your inbox and told iCloud Mail exactly how to handle that sender going forward.